Hello my friends, once again welcome to my channel.
Luthan and his associate studied more than managers. 450. How many managerial activities according to Luthan? 4. Abraham Maslow in published The Hierarchy of Needs Theory, 1943. The processes that account for an individual's intensity, directions, and persistence of efforts towards attaining a goal. Who define? Robinson Judge, 2009. How many important elements of motivation? 3. There are 3 elements of motivation: intensity, direction, and persistence. Physiological safety love, self actualization needs, esteem needs. Organization attempt to satisfy the physiological need of the employee by providing an adequate salary. Abraham Maslow classified the 5 needs into 2 broad categories. One is lower order needs and next is higher order needs. According to Clayton, Alderfer, there are 3 groups of core needs: existence and growth needs. Relatedness needs.